Hi, my name is Ezra Eng, and for sheet 1 is ratings by categories. So first we enter the title, and then we change it to font 20, size to 24, and then we change it to orange, and then we change it, and then we bold it, and then we move it to the middle, and then we copy paste the title, and then we put it as a sheet name. And then first of all, we want to put the category to color, then we put the total ratings to size, then we put the category to label, then we put the total ratings to label. Then we want to change the percent of total, change it to percent of total by quick table calculation, and clicking the percent of total. And then next we want to change it to bubbles, so we change it to bubbles. And then we want to save it. We change it to entire view, then we save it. So for sheet 2, we want to change the title to average rating across different game categories. So we change the title, and then we change the font to 24, we change the color to orange, and then we bold it, and then we move it to the middle, and then we rename the sheet with the same name as well. And then we just need to put the average rating to color, average rating to size, category to the label, and then the average rating to the label. And then we want to change it to entire view, and then we want to change the color to red, green, and gold diverging. And then we want to change it to percentage by quick table calculation and percent of total, and then we want to save it. Yeah. So for the title for sheet 3, we want to rename it to total rating versus average rating based on the installs. And we want to change the size to 24, we want to change it to orange, we want to bold it, and then we want to move it to the middle. And then we copy paste the title, and then we rename the sheet. And then we want to put the ratings to the column, we want to put the average rating to the rows, and then let's say we want to put the install to the color, and then we want to change it to circle, and then we increase the size a bit, and then we want to change it to entire view, and then we want to save it.
And now we are going to sheet 4. The title is draw into 3 days versus website. And now we select all, and then we change the size to 24 while and change the color to orange, and then put in the middle. Okay, and now we put the category in columns, and then put the growth 30 days to growth, and 5-star ratings to growth. And then don't forget to exist, and then all this the automatic we change it to line, and then so this growth 30 days we change to bar, and then we rearrange it, and now we got this. And then don't forget to turn it into a viewer, and then rename also. And now we start. Sorry, I forgot introduce my name. My name is Ronald Ding Singh, and the title for the sheet 5 is top 5 category star rating, size 24, and then change the color to orange, and then put it in the middle. Okay, and now we put the category at columns, and also the measure names at columns, and also put the measure values at values, and then category at filters, and then select all from list, and then at the measure names we only choose the ratings 1 until ratings 5. Okay, and then we change the color, we put the measure names at the color, and now it's like this. And don't forget to change it to the view, and then also rename the, and then save it.
Hi, my name is Maman Isfidos, and I will make a dashboard and story. So for the first dashboards, I will take the data from the ratings by each categories and top 5 categories and top 5 rating categories. And to make it interactive, I will make a filter for each data, so that when I click each data, it will show the categories like here. We can see. Okay. So next I will make a title. So I will make a dashboard title as ratings by category. So finish for the first dashboard, and I will make a second dashboard. Same methods, but this time I will use 3 data, which is average, total ratings, and growth. So for this one, I will same as previous one, we will make a filter, so we can make the dashboard is become interactive. And I want to delete the legend and make a title. For this title, I want to make a rate and growth. So we are done for the dashboard. And next I will make a story part. For the story, I would like to make a 2 story from dashboard 1 and dashboard 2. So the story 1, add caption. Caption I will tell this part is so this is the story 1, and to make a story, the next story, we will make a blank part and insert our second data from the dashboard 2 and add a caption. So we are done for the dashboard and story.